Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see your card number on your HSBC app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to download your HSBC app on your device. So to see your card number on your HSBC app, you need to first of all navigate to your credit card details within the account section. So simply get logged in into your account, and once you are logged in, you can typically find this by selecting your credit card. Once you have done this, simply choose Manage Credit Card or a similar option to access your credit card details. So from there, you should be able to view your credit card number, your expiry date, and your CVV as well. So by doing this, you can simply see your card number on your HSBC app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.